In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely fix this problem. Follow every step carefully. Go to your Start menu, type Registry Editor. If you see the User Account Control pop-up, simply press Yes. Now in the Registry Editor window, expand the folder called HKey Current User. Then expand Software. Scroll down. Expand Microsoft. Then expand Windows. And then click on Current Version. Inside, you'll find a folder called Game DVR. Select it, don't expand it. Then follow the steps. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.